All right, grade three. I'm here today to share our brand new classroom library. So, check this out. When you have library, you're just going to come right on over here and you can scroll right through. And here's the best part. When you come to the snow room, you can read about snow. And all you need to do is click on the book. And boom, someone will read you the story. Now, it'd be fun if there was just a snow room. No way, no day. So, there is also, if you click through, a Mo Willems room. There is a Fly Guy room. Would that be enough? No. We have built you a dinosaur room. Some nonfiction dinosaur rooms. And a pirate room. A little bit more nonfiction. How about an outer space room? So, grade three, have fun reading. When it's time for you to go to the library, off you go, have fun, and read your hearts out. Okay, see you soon, readers.